1968 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Buggy. Price, $12,900. Mileage, 301 miles. Location, Port St. Lucie, Florida. A beautifully restored and upgraded example of classic beach cruising fun, this 1968 Volkswagen Meyer-Manx Tribute Dune Buggy delivers an incredible combination of vintage style, quality craftsmanship, and open-air adventure. Finished in a stunning gold metal flake gel coat with a fresh black interior, this street-legal buggy captures the legendary California Dune Buggy spirit while featuring modern upgrades throughout. Built with only premium components, this VW features an IRS rear axle setup, torsion bar front suspension, and a strong foundation designed for enjoyable cruising. With only 106 miles driven since the build, nearly every major component has been refreshed or replaced, including stainless headers, headlights, turn signal assemblies, American racing wheels, windshield and seals, gauges, starter, fuel system, rebuilt beam, ball joints, tie rods, brakes, wiring harness, carpet, steering components, shift coupler, carburetor, and distributor. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. Custom Hot Rod Kit Car. Price, $19,500 Canadian dollars. Location, Sussex, New Brunswick. A stylish and well-kept custom hot rod offering classic looks with the freedom of a unique build. This kit car is in great condition and ready for its next enthusiast owner. Designed for those who appreciate vintage-inspired automotive craftsmanship, it delivers the unmistakable appearance and personality of a traditional hot rod while providing an exciting platform for cruising, showing, and enjoying the open road. With its custom styling, handcrafted character, and classic street machine appeal, this hot rod kit car stands apart from ordinary vehicles and offers a great opportunity for collectors, hobbyists, or anyone looking for something different. Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $16,400. Location, Uxbridge, Massachusetts. A vibrant and fun-to-drive classic built for adventure, this Volkswagen Dune Buggy combines lightweight performance, open-air excitement, and unmistakable custom style. Finished in a bright orange fiberglass body with a sleek black interior, this buggy delivers the perfect look for beach cruising, weekend adventures, and sunny day drives. Power comes from a rear-mounted air-cooled Volkswagen engine upgraded with a big-bore kit, increasing the original 1,600 cubic centimeters setup to a lively 1,776 cubic centimeters configuration. A 4-speed manual transmission provides an engaging driving experience, while the lightweight design gives this buggy the playful performance enthusiasts love. Dirt Drag Junior Dragster. Price: $2,800. Location: Kenna, West Virginia. Built for young racers and off-road competition, this Dirt Drag Junior Dragster is a race-ready machine designed to deliver excitement on dirt, sand, or pavement. Currently set up for dirt and sand drags, this lightweight dragster comes equipped with a powerful Yamaha 540 cubic centimeters air-cooled 2-stroke twin-cylinder engine, paired with a custom AEN exhaust pipe for strong performance and an aggressive racing sound. The setup includes Pro Wedge 2 rear tires for maximum traction, along with a second set of rear slicks and wheels available for blacktop racing. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle Baja Bug. Price: $3,600. Location: Deltona, Florida. A fun and rugged classic built for adventure, this 1966 Volkswagen Beetle Baja Bug delivers the perfect combination of vintage VW character and off-road personality. Featuring an aggressive Baja-style appearance, this bug is equipped with oversized swamper tires in the rear, Mickey Thompson front tires, and a setup designed to handle trails, sand, and weekend cruising with ease. Power comes from a dependable single-port Volkswagen engine, providing the lightweight performance and simplicity that make these classic bugs so enjoyable. The car includes a complete interior, runs and moves under its own power, and comes with additional parts to continue improving the build, including new brake components, a new carburetor, extra fiberglass fenders, and additional hoods. 1923 Ford Track T Hot Rod. Price: $14,000. Location: Marianna, Florida. A beautifully built traditional-style hot rod with a lightweight design and modern performance upgrades, this 1923 Ford Track T delivers classic character with dependable street manners. Carefully assembled with quality components throughout, this Track T captures the raw excitement of early Ford hot rod culture while offering the comfort and reliability needed for enjoyable cruising. Power comes from a 2.3-liter Ford 4-cylinder engine paired with a C4 3-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and reliable performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end adds strength and durability, while 4-wheel Wilwood disc brakes deliver confident stopping power and improved control. 1952 milligrams TC Replica Roadster. Price: $9,500. Mileage: 2,000 miles. Location: Kokomo, Indiana. A charming classic-inspired roadster with modern American V8 power, this 1952 milligrams TC Replica offers a unique combination of vintage British styling and reliable performance. Finished in a beautiful red exterior with a warm tan interior, this replica captures the timeless elegance of the original MG design while delivering a much more exciting driving experience. Under the hood is a strong Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing impressive power and smooth cruising capability in a lightweight package. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle Classic Restored. Price: $14,000. Mileage: 86,000 miles. Location: Gurnee, Illinois. A beautifully preserved and thoughtfully upgraded classic, this 1967 Volkswagen Beetle offers the perfect blend of vintage character, honest patina, and modern driving comfort. Finished in a timeless green exterior with a gray interior, this rust-free Beetle has been carefully restored by an experienced enthusiast and is ready to be enjoyed immediately. Powered by a reliable 1600 dual-port Volkswagen engine, this Beetle has received numerous mechanical upgrades for improved dependability, including a new electronic distributor, plugs and wires, fuel pump, carburetor, stainless exhaust, and thoroughly serviced fuel system. 1933 Morris Minor 8 HP two-door. Price: $12,500. Mileage: 1,440 miles. Location: Columbia, Missouri. A rare piece of British automotive history, this 1933 Morris Minor 8 HP two-door sliding head saloon offers vintage charm, unique styling, and an authentic driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Finished in classic black with a warm brown interior, this beautifully preserved Morris showcases the elegance and character of early European motoring. Powered by an original 848 cubic centimeters engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this right-hand drive classic delivers a true old-world driving feel. The 6-volt electrical system, cable-operated brakes, and traditional mechanical design highlight the simplicity and craftsmanship of vehicles from this era. 1928 Bugatti Type 37A Racer. Price: $5,000. Mileage: 1,234 miles. Location: Fort Lauderdale, Florida. A rare and fascinating custom project with vintage racing inspiration, this 1928 Bugatti Type 37A Speedster reproduction offers a unique opportunity for builders and collectors looking to create a one-of-a-kind hot rod. Constructed using a 1920s REO chassis, this large-scale classic measures nearly 14.5 feet from front to rear, giving it an impressive presence and unmistakable pre-war racer appearance. Titled in Georgia as a 1928 Bugatti Type 37A, this project captures the spirit of legendary European racing machines while providing a solid foundation for a personalized restoration. The white exterior and brown interior create a classic vintage look, while the unfinished condition allows the next owner to bring their own vision, craftsmanship, and creativity to the build.